This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. As India created history by administering more than 100 crore doses of vaccine against COVID-19, All India Radio salutes all the doctors, nurses, other frontline workers and all those who got vaccinated and made this possible. Even though the country has achieved this feat, we caution our listeners that the battle against COVID is not yet over. We appeal to our listeners to get fully vaccinated at the earliest and also help others get vaccinated. During the festival season, please follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, please contact National Helpline numbers 011-239-78046 and 1075. And the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. And now, the news in detail. The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Chief Executive Member Titossatrwell Chyne tabled the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Khasi Inheritance of Property Bill 2021 on the first day of the reassembled budget session yesterday. Mr. Chyne said that the objective of this bill was to streamline the distribution of ancestral and self-acquired property. The discussion of the bill will be held on the final day of the session on Wednesday. Meghalaya reported 1 COVID-19 related death yesterday, tallying the number of fatalities to 1,459. The Directorate of Health Services informed in a statement that the state also recorded 23 new COVID-19 cases, taking the number of active cases to 349. Also, 36 more cases of recovery added up to 82,078 recovered cases. In Manipur, 51 persons were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases yesterday. 3 COVID-19 related death cases were also reported. None of the deceased had taken COVID-19 vaccine. The number of active cases was 699 as per the latest official report. Meanwhile, 44 more COVID-19 patients were discharged from health centers after recovery. The recovery rate is 97.88%. On the occasion of National Cancer Awareness Day yesterday, the Indian Council of Medical Research said that the Northeastern states have been experiencing a higher burden of cancers in both men and women. The ICMR report said that a total of 1.39 million was estimated to be the number of cases in the states in 2020, which is expected to rise to 1.56 million in 2025. The report further states that 52.4% cancers were reported in males and 47.6% in females, with tobacco use related cancer constituting 27% of all cancers. Manipur Congress MLAs Yamthong, Haokip and RK yesterday joined the BJP. They were inducted in the party in the presence of Union Minister Sarbananda Sonowal and BJP leader Sambit Patra at party headquarters in New Delhi. Mr. Sonowal and Mr. Patra welcomed them into the party fold. The Union Minister said Prime Minister Nanadro Modi has taken several measures for the development of the Northeast. As part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, the District Legal Services Authority Ampati Southwest Garo Hills, Meghalaya, under the aegis of National Legal Services Authority, initiated a 3-day special campaign starting yesterday. Various competitions are being conducted for school children on the occasion of Pan-India Awareness and Outreach Campaign. Ms. Trinity Saioo of Jaintia Hills, Meghalaya was yesterday honored by President Ramnath Kovind with the Padmashree Award for her pioneering efforts in the cultivation and promotion of the Lakadong variety of turmeric. Ms. Saioo, a school teacher, was awarded the Padmashree for her initiative in mobilizing about 800 farmers, mostly women, to set up self-help groups for growing the Lakadong variety of turmeric. It is today world famous because of its high curcumin content. Black pepper farmer from West Garo Hills district of Meghalaya, Nanadro B. Marak was conferred with the Padmashree for his contribution in the field of agriculture in the state. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma congratulated the Padmashree recipients from the state. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.